In this video, I'll be going over and explaining to you what Volume, the click tracking software, is from the perspective of an experienced affiliate marketer. And I'll be walking you through on my computer all the different features and the abilities that Volume has to help you make more money as an affiliate marketer. So Volume is what's called a click tracking software, or they call it ad tracking software. It allows you to really get more layers of information on how every single click on your ad or your ads are performing, and allows you to optimize and make more money from your advertising by figuring out where your ads are going, or what ads are out there that aren't making you money and what ads are making you money. And by being able to cut the red and grow the green, you'll be able to systematically make more money in your business. Now, I'm in the business of affiliate marketing, meaning my business is driven by placing ads and hoping that I earn more money in commissions from the ads I put out than I do in spending them. So if I spend $100, I want to make $200. But in order to do that, I need to figure out which of my ads was most effective, which of the devices I put my ads on were most effective, whether it was desktop, laptop, or mobile devices. And I need to really go deep into the data. I need to split test different web pages to see what's working the best. I need to split test different ads. I need to split test different funnels. I need to split test different products I'm selling. And all of these layers of information can really build up, and it becomes a job unto itself to really figure out what's working effectively. But this is how I've made my money. I haven't done anything creative in affiliate marketing to make the millions of dollars that I've made. If you want to learn how to be creative in affiliate marketing, you can go, I'm going to have my assistant put a playlist to what I call the art of copywriting from my friends Ronnie Sandlin and Carlos Cruz, who are multi-million-dollar affiliate marketers. But I'm just going to be talking about optimizing here. So Volume is software. It looks like this, okay? It allows you to see your campaigns and your ads and your traffic sources on the next level. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about right now, this is all advanced affiliate marketing strategy. If you want to learn the basics of affiliate marketing, I'm putting a link to my playlist, which is Affiliate Marketing 101, and it's a free course that I have teaching you about the basics of affiliate marketing. Go there if you don't understand what I'm talking about. Now, as an affiliate marketer, I am always advertising lots of places. I advertise on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and I have multiple versions of my ads running on all these places at once. Now, I need a central dashboard to track all my campaigns in one place, and that's what Volume is. Also in my business, I have multiple ad agencies that are controlling my traffic at any one time. Volume allows me to have my media buyers compete, or my ad agencies compete against each other, see what each other is doing, so that they can compete, and also I can have visibility into who's doing the best, who's performing the best and making me the most money. And what Volume also does is allows me to optimize and see what web pages and split test different landing pages to see if something is working better. Different messages have different effects on people. If I went up to 10 girls in a bar and I said, "Oh, what beautiful eyes you have," I could just get lost in those eyes and swim around in that deep blue sea. If I said that to 10 girls, and then if I said a different message to 10 other girls saying, something like, "Hey, this place is super boring. What brings you here? Oh, you want a beer, by the way? I'm going to the bar right now." I could try two totally different messages and see what has more of an effect. The answer is I don't know in those scenarios. I've been out of the dating game so long. But I'd want to split test those messages, and you can do it very easily using Volume or marketing. Okay, you'll see the people that work with Volume are in a couple different categories: affiliates, performance agencies, in-house media buyers. These are the main segments of people that work with Volume. Now I'm going to go over a few different, oh, and they have my, look at this. They actually have a testimonial for me right there. Yeah, so Volume helped grow me from $1 million a year to $3 million a year. That's so funny. I'm friends with the owner of Volume. It's a pretty big company though. So let's go inside Volume. So Volume is not a cheap software. As you see here, it ranges from $300 a month to $1,500 a month. So it's definitely not cheap, and it's not software I recommend you invest in if you are new to performance advertising or direct response marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to call it. This is more of an advanced solution. Once you are profitably making consistent amounts of money in marketing, this is a great tool to use to grow your income. I'm going to explain each of these different items here so that you have an idea of what it involves. Some of these things are advanced. Once again, I'm going to link to my affiliate marketing basics course in the cards here, because if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to learn the basics of affiliate marketing, and you need to have a consistent income before you even get to software such as this. Now, included events, what this means is clicks, okay? How many events that are being tracked, such as clicks and conversions. Most of you are not gonna be sending more than 3 million clicks per month. It's a lot of clicks. And you gotta be doing some pretty hefty volume, that's why it's called volume, to do more than 3 million clicks a month. Now, traffic distribution AI means that there is artificial intelligence within Volume that will automatically make sure that the best performing ads, the ones that are making you the most money, the most green, that the best performing ads and landing pages are getting the majority of your traffic. Again, if you're managing 5 different traffic sources and you're managing 10 campaigns on each traffic source, you have 50 campaigns running. For a solopreneur such as myself, it would be maddening to try to optimize everything on my own all the time, but having artificial intelligence or machine learning direct traffic to the best ads in each area makes it much easier and allows you to leverage your time. Workspaces, not sure what these are. Shared reports, not totally sure what these are. Additional users, what that means is if you have media buyers, if you have other people working under you that are buying ads, such as myself, who I have multiple agencies that are buying ads on my behalf, each of them will get their own login so that they can manage their advertising. Direct tracking pixel means that you can track your advertising without having to have redirects. Now, one of the big problems if you get started in affiliate marketing, or if you are started, that you'll know, is that redirecting traffic, it's a big problem. You can't direct link, meaning you can't send people directly to affiliate offers on Google, YouTube, or Facebook. I don't know why, but they don't like people being redirected. They view that as a problem that can be abused. So you'll want to use pixels, meaning they're little pieces of code you put on your site to track if people landed on your website, and also track other sorts of data such as their user agent, their device, their IP address, their ISP, their geography, etc. Now you'll notice you also get custom domains with this, meaning you can set your tracking to go through multiple different domains. If you're advertising multiple different verticals, this would be very helpful for you. And other things you get are just, data history. In this case, you get 6 months data history if you have the regular plan, and that should be plenty. Again, if you are looking to get started with Volume, definitely recommend you check it out. There are other tools out there that are pretty good too. I know my friend started a company called ClickTool, which is another click tracker, and other click trackers include Magic. The free tracker is very difficult to install, and that's called Tracking 202. So those are other options that you can look into if you're looking for cheaper options. Now, I hope you learned a little bit about Volume, which is a click tracking tool in this video. Now, please leave a comment if this was helpful at all, or if this was just way over your head, way too advanced of a topic for you. Make sure to like this video in either case if you learned anything, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more information about affiliate marketing and how to earn an income online.